Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Javante here. Probably know me from FIP or Millionaire Forex Academy, IML, I don't know. But I wanted to make this training for basically, honestly, just for FIP and MFA, because that's really the only people I really fuck with. And all I wanted to go over today was some parts of the MM method, things I use to confirm entries, like TDI, uh, moving averages, support and resistance, just everything I use to get into my entries and exits. And bro, I've learned these past 8 months, grinding, studying, learning like a new thing. I got introduced to Forex back in April, just been learning since then, and I've intaked a lot of knowledge and ready to kill the markets in 2016. But I wanted to make this video for anyone new or anyone struggling, because I've been there, and you guys will get it. So alright, I want to start up right here. This Thursday, alright, what do we got? We got a stop on high, double top, obviously, you guys see that, neckline, first leg, second leg. Alright, here we go. TDI. First, I'm just going to go through TDI because I always check TDI. It's a great tool to know momentum, divergence, trend direction, if it's overbought, oversold. So you see on the first leg, you see TDI went outside of the band, came back down, made the M, but you see on this leg, price action, it's higher, but on momentum, it's lower. That's what we call divergence. So that's one confirmation. Second confirmation, it's a double top. That's two. Third confirmation, inverted hammer. That's enough confirmations for me. I would get in at the close of the hammer, look for a pullback or retrace. Let me clear this real quick. Alright, here's the divergence. Let me make this black. Alright, black. Go a little bit. Oh no, leave it. Alright. Sloping down on momentum on the TDI. From this wick to that wick, it's up. Huh, even my deviation dot was confirmed with it. Could have took that. Alright. I'm gonna write the levels out for you guys. Alright, here we got level 1. We got level 2. And then, of course, level 3. And then you see on level 3, nice reversal pattern. But I wouldn't took that because I don't trade New York session. All I want to look for is my 50 to 100 pips and get out. So basically, you got in level 1. You could even got in on these wicks. It don't matter. First level, you already got your 50. Asian, if it's a stop hunt high, I'm going to be looking at my exit points is going to be the Asian low or the stop hunt box. If it's a stop hunt low rise, I'm going to be looking to my exit point is going to be at Asian high. So it would have been 67 pips there, or if I wanted to wait until level 3, I could have got around 130, 140. But I wouldn't be greedy. But hey, you want to? Why I love this pair? Because if you would have just placed a 0.50 or our standard lot, that's a 1K day or even a $500 day. in literally 2 hours. 2 hours, you're making what most people make in 2 weeks. That's why you can't take this for granted. All right, the next day, what do we got? Same shit, different day. Oh, another thing. Why I know this is still a downtrend, it's below the 800 EMA, and it's been on a downtrend. See, it's been on a downtrend. This move, all right. First leg, M. Second leg, perfect. My fault. Perfect. All right. As you can see, and all an M is fake everyone to go long, scare them, get people going, induce more people to go short, fake them, get them stopped out, induce more longs, usually at the beginning of a session or session changeover, and then just shift the zone and just kill them all and follow the real trend that we would know, but most traders won't know. Because you don't get all this just from books. You really gotta study and learn this shit. All right, what do we got? TDI. I'll start with TDI again. TDI. First leg. First leg TDI to the second leg. What do you see? Ski slope. You see that? You see that? And then what do you see up here? I would say even, not full divergence. Yeah, because it respected the wick. But what is it though? It's straight on price action, but on momentum, you already see that momentum is falling. It's dropping. So that's a confirmation. Second leg, it broke through the 800 EMA, but it quickly pulled back because moving averages people use as entries is the goal. Most people would have took this as a long. This is bullish engulfing. All go long. Psych, snatch it right back. You would have got in. I'll even write out the levels. Alright. Level 1. Get it down to there. Level 2. Down there. And then, of course, level 3. Alright. Wait for the you always wait for the confirmation. A problem I had in my early days in trading is I would find an M or a W, I would have confirmations, I would take the trade, but I would always close on this first level for some reason. I would never even let my trade go past the neckline. But just know, a confirmed M or W, usually the neckline will be the ending of the first level. So, what's my take profit? Like I said in the last trade, Asian low. What is it? 65 pips. Third level, 111. Because the average daily range on GJ is huge. And you could cash out just by getting these entries and knowing these moves. But you don't need to trade every day. I don't trade every day. This trade, still in the downtrend, respecting the downtrend. What are we looking for? Obviously, stop on high drop. We got this right here. Evening star. It's a nice confirmation candle too. Evening star and bearish engulfing, honestly. Outside the Mayo, pulls back quick, induces longs, holds it before it shifts the zone for an extra 15 minutes to add extra fear. I'd wait for this candle close, wait for a pullback. Let me do the levels for you. It's simple, guys. Like, once you guys see this, you guys will stay in profit, be forever in profit. I know I sound like Ryan, but it's true. Like, it will be hard for a while, but once you understand that it's the same shit, different day, you'll be good. You'll be set. That's all it really takes. Level 3. Alright. So, get in, exit, Asian low. You know this. 78 pips. Could have held it until stop on box is my next exit, but level 3. So some people love holding for all levels, but hey, it's all about how greedy you want to be and how much money you really need out of the market. All I'm trying to do is increase lot sizes and keep my pip goals. So I'm set with 50 pips a day as long as my lot sizes are increasing, because you could be catching 50 pips a day and straight be cashing out, because I know someone that places 50 lots and has $25,000 days. So it's not all about how many pips you can catch. It's about how consistent you can be, controlling your risk factors, and just increasing lots as you increase your balance. Alright. What do we got? Well, because this to me right here is an anchor point, this 3 deviation dot right there, I would call that peak formation. Right here. Peak. So I'll put that in caps. Peak. Oh, did I? Alright. Peak. So another nice setup. Peak formation. So what am I going to be expecting the next day? Stop hunt, low rise. We have 41 Asian range. What I look for is a 25 to 50 pip Asian range. That's ideal for me, because I want to have a stop hunt. I don't want a blown out Asian range. We got some vector. This is some vectors to the low. I can count levels down and up on this. I'm just gonna put 1, 2, 3 for now. All right. 1. This vector candle. This is a level. Huge vector candles can be a level. This would be 3rd level. All right, 3rd level. This box I use as a stop hunt box. I look for a 25 to, this is 25 to 50 pip stop hunt box. It hits it. Some people would take it right off the box, but you always want to wait for a confirmation. And as you see, the next candle is still bearish. So I'm still going to wait for I'm going to wait for this to close and then wait for the next candle to close and look for a confirmation. And I'm also going to check my TDI. What I see on TDI, sorry about that. I see a shark fin. You see the shark fin to the low. And you see blood in the water right here, and it's out of the band. So I would wait for this candle confirmation. I would take the next candle. Let me draw these levels for you guys real quick. Levels are so simple, but need to be mastered, because you don't want to get caught up in not knowing where you are in the market cycle, intraday and long and weekly cycles. Got level 1. We got 2. Excuse the triangle too. That was just some harmonics bullshit I was dealing with, trying to figure some shit out. We got, didn't take it out. Oh, we got 4 levels here. 3. A lot of consolidation. And 4. And then correction. Could have took the New York shark. Oh, not shark. Could say shark fin. Blood in the water. You could have took that, but I don't trade New York. Another nice setup. Waited for that. Bong bong. Level 2. I would wait for Asian. That's 75 pips. 75. GJ is. I love this pair, man. It gives me adrenaline every time I look at it. All right, we got another nice one. Nice setup. All right. Sorry about that. Once again, first leg to the M. Second leg M. Oh, we got some divergence. All right. Slope is up, but on momentum TDI, we got momentum already dropping, lowering price. As you can see, Got a reversal pattern. We got a doji. We would wait for the confirmation. Get in. It's a really choppy market this day. You can't let chop scare you out of the market. That's why it's so important to master your entry and exits, because and take profits and stop loss. Because if you're sitting there watching candle by candle, your head you're gonna go crazy. Like, you're gonna think you have no clue in the market. You're gonna think your trading style is wrong. You're gonna be looking for new methods, because you don't believe in your trading style when you should. Because you could still, sorry, and entry exit would still be Asian low. You could literally set your take profit there and go to sleep. Like, your take profit will most likely be hit. And what happened? Bong, right before New York, it hits your take profit. You wake up, you're in profit, and you cash out 62 pips. It's all GJ I'm doing right now. Excuse this. Just like I said, the harmonics. Just trying to see what it was about. Thursday. I wouldn't have took that. No. Friday bullshit. Wouldn't have took that. Fridays and Mondays I usually don't trade. New York session I never trade, just because I'm still in school finishing that shit up. As you can see, 200 is above the 50, so we're going to be looking for sells. Market's also below the 200. It also shows downtrend. That's another confirmation for a downtrend. It's a choppy market though, and it's also a Monday, so I'm not even gonna mess with that. Tuesday we're gonna be looking for shorts. Could have took this. Don't see an ideal stop hunt. Could have took the bearish engulfing. Real retail traders got trapped on these two right here. Quickly pulled away. Level 1, level 2, level 3, and then just did some more. I don't trade New York, so I'm not gonna go over New York. We got peak formation. You see how it trades off the peak? It doesn't come down here because they got volume trapped on these wicks right here. Volume is trapped on the peak formation. So what do we see? What do we expect next day? We're just looking for longs. We don't have any ideal stop hunts, but we do. I mean, if you could even check the line chart and see that. I mean, I could see the W right there, but you see it. Come on. You should be able to open your charts up and know all the W setups, all the M's. It's not new, guys. W, level 1, 2, first. Oh, this was a very nice setup. I saw the day before Christmas, but I didn't get up to trade because I thought the market was already closed. You see this right here? We got a perfect demand, like, makes me mad even looking at it. This demand zone, this orange box, respected the demand zone. We got a W on the TDI, ugly fat W. Blood in the water entry. Could have even waited for pullback, but I already see this little W right in here, so I most likely would have took this engulfing. Level 1, level 2, level 3. I would have got out. Mayo would have been a good exit point on this one, 63 pips. And then I wouldn't have gotten involved in any of this. I know the market was about to close. Did a weird spiked the market like crazy when it opened back up on the 28th. But Monday, I had enough discipline to not trade until January 4th. I wanted to take it off. and I kind of regret it. Even though, I mean, you have to have discipline in trading. You can't be trying to make money every single day, or else you're just increasing risk. You just need to catch a couple setups a week. But what do we got? I mean, I can go to line chart if you need me to. Perfect M, you see it. You can even see it on candlesticks. Alright. 53 pip Asian range. The two black lines, those are just the first 8 hours, the high and low. Just to show support and resistance for the week. And just see where it's gonna stop hunt out of first. What it do? Stop hunted outside of the high. It made the M. TDI outside of the blue band. Second leg of the M though is inside. I'm not gonna call it divergence, but momentum is shifting. You know it's about to drop. Blood in the water. Entry. You see wicks, a ton of wicks to the upside, trapping a bunch of volume, bunch of people going long, thinking they know how to trade. All right. Let me break these levels down. Level 1. What's up doing that? Just put 1. Level 1. Level 2. 4 levels on this. I usually look for 3 levels. You could expect 4 or a reset and more, but most of the time we're going to be looking for around 3 levels. Breaks that again. And I don't mark up New York because I don't trade New York. Alright, let's see what we got next day. Same shit, different day. I don't know how many times I can say this, man. Alright. We got price action higher on the, oh my gosh, on the second leg. There. But on TDI, what do we see? Price dropping. Perfect divergence.